Hello friends, welcome back to Zero.Math. In this video, we are going to solve yet another question from SSC CHSL from year 2020. I would recommend you to pause this video for a couple of minutes and give this problem a shot. After that, anyways, I'm going to explain you the solution of this problem and the detailed concept how to deal with such kind of problems. Let's read out this question carefully. If in the given figure angle ACB, so this is your angle ACB, let's call this angle as angle X, and angle BAC, let's call angle BAC as angle Y. Now what is given? Angle X plus Y, that is ACB plus BAC, is equal to 80 degrees. Next, what is given? Angle BDE is given as 35 degrees. Now you can see this is not a straight line. So CED is not a straight line and CBDE is not a triangle, it's a quadrilateral. So angle given BDE is 35 degrees. The next given angle is angle BCE. So this is your angle BCE and this is given as 45 degrees. Now what's asked in the question? Then the marked angle CED is how much? So this is your angle CED. Let's call it as angle Z. Do you know why did we pick this angle CDE, which is obtuse angle, and not the reflex angle? Basically obtuse angle is which is less than 180 and reflex angle is more than 180. If in the question, if it's not explicitly mention the type of angle, then you always pick up the obtuse angle. So we have to figure out obtuse angle Z. If angle Z is given, what will be the reflex angle? If in this slide the angle on one side is X, then total angle is 360. So what will be the another angle, another portion of angle, that is 360 minus X. Similarly, here this angle, which is the reflex angle, would be 360 minus Z. Alright, I think so far so good. Now let's understand the concept of external angle. What is this concept? Let's draw a triangle. You can see in this triangle, this is the external angle. If the value of angle X and Y is given, the external angle is always sum of this angle X plus Y. This is very important concept. Let's apply this concept in our problem. To identify this external angle, value of X and Y, X plus Y, is given as 80 degrees. So this angle would be 80 degrees, which is our external angle. Now we got values of three angles, that is 45 degrees, 80 degrees and 35 degrees, and CBD is a quadrilateral. Now you must be aware like what's the sum of all interior angles of quadrilateral, that is equal to 360 degrees. Now why it is 360 degree, you must know this concept. So n minus 2 into 180 degree is equal to sum of angles of all interior angles of the polygon. Let's take one polygon, that is triangle. What's the sum of interior angles? So triangle has three sides, right? So let's replace this n with 3. So n is equal to 3. So 3 minus 2 into 180, which is equal to 180 degrees. Now in this case we are having quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is having 4 sides. So 4 minus 2 is 2 into 180, which is equal to 360 degrees, which is the sum of internal angles. You know that squares, rectangles are quadrilaterals. So what's the sum of internal angle? That is also equal to 360 degrees. Now once you know this concept, solving this sum is pretty simple. Let's start writing the equation. 45 degrees plus 80 degrees plus 35 degrees plus 360 minus Z is equal to 360, which is sum of internal angles of quadrilateral. Let's try to solve this. We are having 360 degrees on both sides. Let's cancel it out. What will be value of Z? That would be 45 degrees plus 80 degrees plus 35 degrees. 45 plus 35, which is equal to 80 degrees, and add 80 degrees to it. So it will be 160 degrees. So value of Z would be 160 degrees. Question was really not that difficult. Only few concepts were mixed together and I hope you are through with the concept after watching this video.